Start.
So this one now, we have cut this. So we need to separate the twisted pairs. Yeah, the color we have here, we have white, orange, white, green, white, brown, and white, blue. So for you to, let me just tell us the color combination we are using, the standard. So the first one we're using, it will be white, orange, orange, white, white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, then white, brown, brown. I will say it again. Look at this now. This is, let me show you. Look at this now. So you need to cut this away. You need to cut this away. Cut it. So you do it very well. This two. So make sure they are straight. So this one too. So we now do it white, orange, orange, then white, green. Can you see? See how I'm saying it? White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, green, blue, then white, blue. See the I'm doing it. Then white, blue, then green. Then after white, green, then white, brown, then brown. So make sure they are straight. Can you see the way I did it? See the way I did it? Then you now cut it. Make a trim. It's too long. You have to cut it. Can you see? You see? Now we can now take these are RJ45. Can you see? So most times, look at what happened here. You see the RJ5 I wanted to use. Can you see that the pin are not there? So you need to confirm. It's advisable you check them. So this one is good. This one is complete. So you do it like this. This will be at the top. Can you see? Then take it inside. Inside. Can you see? Can you see? So look at here. It must be here. All of them must be inside. So you now take it inside. After doing it like this, then you now crimp it. This is our crimping tools. Then you take it like this, put it like this. Can you see? Can you see the way I did it? So then you crimp it. You can do it like twice. Can you see?